Hey, let's change your wallpaper into Windows 11. I'm going to show you three different methods. The method number one, which is the settings menu, what you wanted to do is to right click into the desktop. Just like that, what's going to happen is going to be popping up this elements. So what you need to do is just to click into the element that says personalized. Now, from here, what you wanted to do is to click into the element that says background. You can choose between a single picture, a solid color, or a slideshow that rotates your favorite photos. If you want some refreshing every day, select Windows Spotlight. Basically, what's going to happen here is that Windows is going to be taking care of every background, let's say, by itself. So we don't have to do absolutely anything with that. So yeah, I'm going to choose, for example, Windows Spotlight. So when I choose this element, Windows automatically will pick stunning new images for us automatically each day. So every time you sign in, Windows will be giving us different wallpapers really fast. Now let's go for the second method, which is the fastest way with any image. What you wanted to do is to open a folder with a cool landscape photo. Usually what we do is, for example, to find it directly into my downloads. You can see that there's more into my gallery, whatever. So what I'm going to be doing here is to try to find one. For example, here's one. So what I'm going to be doing here is to just right click into this actual photo and select the element that says set as a desktop background. If you double click the image, you also have this element available into the upper side like this. So I'm going to just close this and do both options like this, set a desktop background, and there we go. The fastest way, it updates instantly without you ever had to open your settings. Now, a pro tip that I can give you is that if you have multiple monitors, what you wanted to do is that back into the background settings, I'm going to go into my personalized. Here into my background settings, basically you wanted to check out here the image thumbnail into your settings and choose which monitor you want it on. Simple as that. So as you can see, we only have one multi image right now. So if you have another monitor, it will be appearing directly inside here, and you can personalize that background also. Now, just a quick piece of advice: if you don't know where that you can download great backgrounds like this one, what you can do is to try to get started with Pinterest. Pinterest is an amazing way to look out for inspiration, creativity, and so much more. The only thing that you need to do is to create an actual free account, which is at no cost. You don't have to take more than 1 minute. You get your actual information being downloaded, and into the search bar, what you want to is just to type, let's say, for example, the kind of background that you like to download. For example, Batman background wallpaper. Always finished with a wood wallpaper, so Pinterest knows what you're actually looking for, and you can find that there's tons and really tons of great wallpapers, even for your iPhone, Android, whatever. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Let me know in the comments below what kind of wallpaper you're going to be rocking on. See you tomorrow.